Is it a good shot?
It's a good shot. Go down a bit. No. Yeah, that's a good shot.
When the stars come out tonight, will the moon still shine as bright? I look out my faded window, wondering if you are there. If I can see it, you see it too. I know I'm not far from you. Open roads and endless love run like fever through my blood. Can you feel my heart beating when you hold me so tight? Life is a journey. I want you beside me. If I can see it, you see it too. I know I'm not far from you. If I can see it, you see it too. I know I'm not far from you.
Ain't nothing in this world that's stopping me. My Rari outruns your Odyssey. I broke it off cause I'm not settling. I gotta get for the lip on a trip killing me. Yeah, it's like that, I'm in your girl's mentions. Yeah, it's like that, she got good dimensions. I'm balling, they pay me attention. Going up, hydraulic suspension.
You don't want this. From where I'm from, let the change stay constant. Me and all the monsters, bonkers, mobsters, stompers, conscious conkers. Man, it's hard like that. Big bouncer, man, he got bored like that. If I give a girl lead, then she call right back. True phones don't call my gaff, where the war like that.
You on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Get us babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the
Ain't nothing in this world that's stopping me.
Here we are, we're back at this job again. Have you ever had a service that was delayed because of traffic or ill health or the kids having to come back from school? There's a multitude of reasons really why a service provider could be delayed. But however, on this job, we turned up, We cleaned the solar panels, which is amazing, as you can see in the video. And today, they look brilliant. There's hardly any marks on them. I think there's a few tiny little circles up there where there was lichen, but they look remarkable. And this customer didn't have a problem, was very good with communications, understood our circumstance of having to go and pick up our kids from school. Not only we paid for aftercare so we could run our service, but we have to go and pick them up. So if we are running over schedule due to getting stuck in traffic, like we all do, sometimes this has an impact on our services. Sometimes this delays our services. We might need to rebook them. Contacting us on the day of your service, especially within the time frame of your appointment, and expressing a cancellation is only going to lead to one thing, and that is that you cancel your service and that we don't provide a refund. We've got a calendar online that's free to use. We don't charge you for the appointment, we charge you for the service, which is from the shop. The calendar is free to use at any point, and it's quite easy and convenient to go on there and rebook an appointment, especially if you've got a time specific schedule yourself. We're quite respectful of our clients. We understand that we've all got our own lives, but this is a perfect example really of exceptional results, and also a very patient customer to wait a couple of days for us to return and complete it. We're working additional hours this weekend just to catch up with some of the work. It's been very hot. Everybody's been out in the traffic. We've had a few delays. It's normal. It's never going to stop. We're always going to have delays. We're going to get ill. Kids are going to have time off. They're off for 2 weeks. It's going to be a nightmare. It's already started as a nightmare today, to be honest. Bickering on the first day. Who'd have thought of it, eh? Who'd have thunk of that? But yeah, as a family-run business, it's more relying on being human than it is being time structured. We've had probably 10 phone calls this week where people have asked us, can you clean my windows today? No, not really. We've got a schedule of around about 7 to 10 days fully booked, and a schedule that's partially booked of around about 6 weeks. We've got services that are booked throughout the year till 2026. People buy 12 window cleans off us. We book the appointments, or they book them by themselves. It's quite simple, depending on what they're doing. So contacting us on the same day and asking for a window clean is only going to lead to one thing, and that's an increase in price. So we put a shop online. Same day window cleaning service. Kind of like a courier service, really. You know, you want your product or your service, you're impulsive, you want it now. We all do that. So there's a price to pay, and that's £200, and that's on the appointment. That's the only appointment that we have for a price on. If you want a same day service, we'll drop what we're doing and fit it in. Our customers are understanding. It's in the terms and conditions. We're all trying to survive, but it's going to cost you £200. Window cleaning is not impulsive. It's not medical care. It's not a necessity. It's a luxury. Remember that. Right, let's get on with the job before all the neighbours think that I'm a right weirdo in the back garden talking to himself about a load of nonsense. Looks good, right? On to the front.
We had a good run, but I'm tired of running after you. We're at the crossroads, guess I wasn't enough for you. I'm up all night, thinking about the way you left me broken in a million pieces. If you left me a year ago, I would have known it wasn't only just cause of the distance. But now I worry, you gave me up and you had your shot and you didn't care enough about me to listen. Please don't tell me it's the end. I don't wanna stay friends, I just want something more or not at all. So please just tell me, is this what you want? Cause I don't wanna talk about this anymore with you at all. Make up your mind.
in my thesis. Lyrically, this be like telekinesis. Y'all be the students and we be the teachers. We in the game while y'all be on the bleachers. Be on the bleachers, everyone that they be trying to deceive us. That be my pedigree, just to be better. Be check out my melody, cleverly, heavenly. This be the time. Travel the world, but you never could find. Underground legend, I've been on my grind. Already pacing out what I sign. Spiritual flow, what I'm nice when I speak. Lyrics they go like I'm 5 foot a 10. Venomly vicious, they sending me kisses with enemy wishes. They need you just quit. I just be knowing it's jealousy, greed. Most of them cold when it's only a need. Like how you doing, it's been a long time. Oh, I've been good, I've been doing just fine. Travel the world, never new friends. So is the same that been down to the end. They perpetrating, I'm exterminating. These rappers is whacking, they corny my friend like shots fired. Verbally, I lays them down. Rappers get retired. Cause life's real, the pain's realer. See, verbally, this homicide. I'm a trained killer.
Yeah, I'm everywhere. Yeah, I'm everywhere. Yeah, I'm everywhere. You ain't never there. Yeah, I'm everywhere. Yeah, I'm everywhere. Yeah, I'm everywhere. You ain't never there.
And that is us all done.